How to repeat songs on YouTube Music. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to repeat songs on YouTube Music so you can listen to your favorite track on loop. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the YouTube Music app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, you can simply search for any song that you'd like. And here, once you have searched for song, you can just start playing it. So here, simply find the song and you can just tap on it to start playing. And now here, once you are inside the song, what you can do is you can just look for the repeat icon. As you can see, the repeat icon is located in the bottom right side of the screen. So there you can just tap on it. You can just tap once to repeat all songs in the playlist. You can repeat twice, or you can just tap twice to repeat the same song again and again, and you can just tap again to turn the repeat mode off. And with that, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.